Get some stickers. That's what Mahaprabhu did. And Chaitanya Mangal, he was also very playful because he was in the mood of Krishna when he was young, and then later he went deep into the Radha Bhav. But when he was Nimai Pandit and just a young boy, 9, 10, he was very much like Krishna in Vrindavan. Nadia Brahmanis, or Nadia Kanyas, the virgin girls of Nadia, the daughters of Brahmins, they would go to the bank of the, Ganga, and they would make a deity of Durga, and they would pray, oh, please give us a husband, very beautiful husband, and have all sandesh and bananas and little sweets and burfi and kheer to offer. Then Nimai would come and sit there, oh, this is nice, He started eating everything. Hey, nonsense. This is all this food is meant to offer to Durga, to Ma Durga, and you're eating it all. And they would chase him and pick up a stick, and he would just make faces and run away and jump in the Ganga. And they would, I'm telling your father! And he would say, bye. And he'd swim across to Navadvip or the other, whatever, some other side. And then sometimes they say, it was almost like Katyayani. You see a parallel with Bhagavatam, of course. They're doing puja. Then he would sit down and said, "Listen, you're saying Pati Dehi. You're praying to Durga, Dehi, give me Pati, husband. Oh Durga, please give me a husband. I am that husband. You're praying for me. We're not praying for you. And even if you were offered to be our husband, we would refuse." So he would sit there and say, I'm the one you're praying for. And you say, no, you're not. The one I'm seeing in my mind is better looking than you. That's pretty hard to do. Gaura Sundar, Gauranga Sundar. So they would joke like this because they're naughty. He's a naughty Brahmin and they're naughty Brahmanis.